Welcome back, moto riders and enthusiasts. Out today on the 1250 GS Adventure with my buddy Tom, who just picked that beauty up yesterday. It's the exact twin to mine. We are heading up to Oxford, North Carolina, where we're going to get some lunch, and then Tom is going to continue on his way up to the Blue Ridge Parkway and eventually to Pennsylvania and points east. It is a mere 93 degrees today. Pretty warm. The usual threat of afternoon thunderstorms. Which I feel pretty good right about now. And then it'll be ride till you're dry, which I'm okay with. Tom is a Harley guy. He's got a Road Glide Ultra, and he's been looking to make the switch to BMW for a while, kind of similar to me, although we have not completely switched yet. We still maintain our Road Glides for now. But it's good to have choices. Today we're going to take some country back roads to get up to Oxford, which is a fairly good-sized town, but a very old town, not too far from the Virginia border. And we'll stop and get some lunch there. Tom will continue north, and I'm going to turn around and head back home from that point. Good. Tom was just saying he got an alert on the TFT screen already that the bike was due for maintenance, which is kind of odd since the bike has about 50 miles on it, so it can't need anything scheduled, and in absence of any kind of specific alert, probably just a glitch. Actually, I think I got that same notice on my TFT in the beginning as well. and I knew it was way before the required 600-mile service, so he should be fine. Interesting to note that these hard panniers and the little top box can hold quite a bit of stuff. He arrived in town yesterday with a pretty sizable duffel bag with a lot of stuff in it. I mean, it was a big duffel bag. And he was basically able to empty the entire thing into the side cases and then fold the duffel bag flat and strap it to the back seat. So these bags can hold a lot of stuff. Good to know. Had a bit of an absence from posting videos the past couple of weeks. I did one ride a couple of weeks ago, and that was the torch ride for the Special Olympics. That was a fundraiser. I had about 200 bikes show up to that. That was really good. And then had a club ride last weekend out to the central part of North Carolina, where we had breakfast. That was a good ride. It's just been so hot lately that it's not really conducive to fun motorcycle riding. And on that last club ride, we got thoroughly soaked on the way home. Torrential thunderstorm. But it felt good. Okay, done with that traffic mess. That was Highway 1 up in Youngsville. We're currently on Highway 96 heading west, and this is still the town of Youngsville, I'm pretty sure. Much nicer up this way. Look at this Jeep, can't miss that. I like those bright colors. Everything's gray, white, or black. It's nice to see something bright. This is a nice property on the left here. Got the old farm, the old barn. Check out this little cabin with the flag on it. I can live there. Unfortunately, this is what's encroaching on all that empty land. Check out this little country store here on the corner, right on the bend. A little bit of groceries, clothing, gasoline. Good to have a place like that up here, because we're kind of far from any kind of decent shopping. Had this seat set in the low position, both front and rear, and when it's like that, it kind of tilts the seat and the rider forward a little bit. Look at this idiot with the grass. Come on. So Anyway, I feel like I was sitting on some kind of important parts. It wasn't too comfortable. So with this seat, you're able to tilt the front up to the high position and keep the rear at the low position. Kind of levels the seat out. And that's made a world of difference. Just a little tougher to reach the ground, but a lot more comfortable for riding. The road goes straight, but we're turning right to stay on 96. Corn coming in there. You guys in the UK who ride those country lanes with those tall hedges right close to the road like that, I don't know how you can maintain speed. I'd be worried about something jumping out of there and making a bad day for me. Up there, dude. Miles to Oxford, not bad. Nice setting. Never taken Highway 96 this far north. It's pretty nice up here. Wow, looks like we're going to be there in 5 minutes. We're not too far away now. Found a place for lunch called Tobacco Wood Brew Pub or Brewery, something like that. Looks like the food might be pretty good for lunch. So hopefully the battery holds up, at least until we get in the parking lot. What is that? Couldn't turn my head to look. It looked like a bunch of game birds or something on the ground. Maybe they were just chickens, I don't know. Uh-oh. We know what's coming there. Okay, we have arrived at the city line for Oxford. Just need to figure out where our restaurant is. Just gonna pull in here real quick. Got that sorted. Looks good, smells good. All right, I'll be back.